Apple Car rumored to run new custom OS to control all aspects of driving. Well, yeah, of course. I mean, Apple, if there was an advantage and a leg up that Apple had, it would be on the software side of things, on the OS side of things. I mean, they have this tremendous user base that's already comfortable with their services, their approach to software, and it would be one of the major differentiating factors for them. If they put a car out, people are like, oh, it's like my iPhone on wheels. Sick.
Everything's synced up for you.
A new industry report that claims that Apple is planning to have its own centrally integrated OS for the long-rumored Apple Car, similar to how Tesla has one system operating driving controls and entertainment. The giant majority of patents and other regulatory filings regarding the forthcoming Apple Car have concentrated on hardware issues. Nonetheless, it's unlikely that the self-driving vehicle would ship with nothing more than an expanded version of CarPlay. Well, yeah, expanded version of CarPlay is fine. But it will not be CarPlay. I mean, there's no reason for it. You can get CarPlay on any car. You would want something extra here to incentivize you to spend all that much more money for that, to have that badge on a car if they actually do it. Speaking of Tesla's integrated operating system, they added Disney Plus on the latest update for streaming. And last night, I was with the kids, and we went to the McDonald's drive-thru late at night, and they were in a kind of bad mood. And I was like, go get an ice cream cone or something, you know? And we go through, and we just park, and I got the nice big screen and a good sound system, and I put on episode 2 of the F1 show of Drive to Survive.
On Netflix?
On Netflix, okay. in the car, in the centrally integrated operating system.
You were talking about Disney before. I thought you were going to watch like Boba Fett or something.
I was just mentioning that they just added Disney Plus as well. See, yeah. You now have 4 in the streaming category. So there's YouTube, there's Disney Plus, there's Netflix, and there's Twitch.
Okay.
That you're watching natively, not connected to your phone, nothing. Shout out Jiggle223. And so I put it on, and all the moods changed around. Little ice cream,
nice.
Little Drive to Survive in the car with the big display. Everybody has their own climate going on because they got the heated seat if they want it. You know, so it's actually a really cozy environment.
That's a good time.
We watched the whole episode in there.
Nice.
So,
right in the McDonald's parking lot?
Yes, of course. Okay. I like that you like this much. Can you picture the cozy environment?
Yeah. Climate control.
The rain was coming down, and we didn't have to budge.
Oh, yeah, the rain. There was the rain.
I'm telling you, man, the atmosphere was out of control.
You were partway into van life there.
It was kind of like van life, but so integrated.
Yeah.
Without needing to have all these, like, pulling things down and getting set up for it. In the Tesla, it's just, you just stop, and you have a full-out entertainment system that everybody can see and see well. And the sound is incredible, right? Because in your house, you might not be able to turn it up as much because I got, other people sleeping or whatever. But in the car, it's like a movie theater. Do whatever you want. You're not bothering anybody.
Wow, you're really painting a picture.
You know what? I was aiming to paint a picture. I'm glad that that's what happened because that was my aim.
How much did Elon pay you?
Well, he's broke now. He's $43 billion, so it's all right, Elon. I don't need we can halt your payment. We can delay the payment for that last picture that I just painted. But it was a great time. Yes, of course, Apple's going to do this, some sort of car OS. I'm sure it'll be good. I wish this was an Irish coffee, thanks to those that asked. This is actually from a video that I just finished shooting over on Unbox Therapy where I'm going to give you a little preview. I got this crazy, powerful battery bank. Like ridiculous, capable of delivering 3,000 watts of power. And so I was using it to run all types of appliances that you would not expect you could run from a battery bank. So anyway, this is a preview to that video coming out.
Nice. I'm looking forward to it.
Someone says we need a better schedule when we stream. Will, do you have any comment on that?
I have a lot to say about that, but...
Go ahead. Say something. Go ahead.
Well, we should be consistent.
Go ahead.
Earlier.
What time? What time should it be?
Well, ideally 1 p.m. Eastern. But I don't think that's possible.
Willie Doo says
you're such a busy guy.
Willie Doo says 1 p.m. Eastern. Listen, if you tell me to be in this chair at 1 p.m. Eastern, then that's where I am.
No. There's too many other stuff that's happening right now.
Well, if you tell me to be in this chair 1 p.m. Eastern, I'm here. That's the end of it.
What does the chat think?
They love it. What are you
1
talking about? I don't know. I think they like it. See, somebody says it's midnight where they are. Shout out.
Oh, yeah, that's late for them.
Shout out to those joining us at midnight. It was supposed to be noon, Jennifer says.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's another good point. We got to do better, whatever it is. Somebody says it's 4 a.m. where they're watching from. I mean, that's even better. You win. You win the contest.
Yeah.
Listen, man. You guys need to hold Willie Do accountable because I'm saying now.
I'm ready to go.
I'm saying right now, Will, if you give me a time to sit in this chair, I'll be here. I'm not lying.
Yeah.
So I want you all to hold him accountable. You
Saying
understand?
it is different than doing it. That's all I got to say.
Well, we can start by saying it.
Yeah, that's the first step.
And then doing it. Apple's app tracking crackdown is costing Facebook and YouTube billions. Yeah, of course. Shout out Jesse. Really appreciate it. But apparently Willie Do hates him.